authorities say they're investigating a viral pneumonia outbreak, and there's speculation that it could be linked to a SARS virus that killed hundreds of people in 2003.
A mysterious pneumonia has gripped China, with scores hospitalized by the illness.
Chinese authorities first notified the World Health Organization on January 11th that they had discovered a novel coronavirus, SARS-CoV.
Sa pagkakaroon ana kita sa state of public health emergency.
Nga natay isa ka book, bag-o nga nagpositive.
Kabahin sa atong mga lakang sa pagpakgang sa coronavirus 19.
The total deaths in the UK is now 8.
Depuis quelques semaines, notre pays fait face à la propagation d'un virus.
Have we been able to eradicate the virus despite our best efforts?
We have therefore made the assessment that COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
As the saying goes, progress requires setbacks, and the only sure way to avoid failure is not to try. The rapid spread of COVID-19 triggered economic disruption and imposed serious threats on safety throughout the globe. These circumstances call for prompt government's response to implement strategies in dealing with this unfortunate situation. The city of Tagum, as a rising component city and the capital of the province of Davao del Norte in Region 11, has remained committed to ensure that the general welfare of the Tagumeños is substantially emphasized. The Public Education and Employment Services Office is committed to enforce innovative strategies in carrying out its mandate, executing resilient actions for the public's benefit, and openly providing a humane service for assisting in need residents.
Isang bukod tanging dedikasyon ang ipinamalas ng Tagum City Public Education Employment Services Office dahil sa walang tigil nitong pagbibigay ng kinakailangang tulong at suporta ng walang anumang alinlangan na inilaan para sa mamamayan sa kabila ng pandemya. Tunay kong ipinagmamalaki ang tapang at pagkakaisa ng mga personahe nito dahil sa responsable nilang pagganap sa kanilang mga tungkulin, gayon din ang pagkusang pagpatupad ng mga interbensyon at makataong serbisyo.
In the middle of the pandemic crisis, PEESO Tagum, with the support of its local chief executive, Honorable Alan L. Relion, did not cease to provide excellent service, especially in the provision of out-of-the-box strategies to aid the hardly affected constituents. The alarming numbers of locally stranded individuals, overseas Filipino workers returnees, and displaced or retrenched employees paved the way of executing an all-encompassing program named REAL, which means reintegration to society, employment facilitation to both public and private establishments, access to education, skills training and scholarship, and livelihood through microfinancing and bottom-up budgeting.
Ako po ay si Almira Ang. I am a returning OFW. I worked before in Dubai, Kuwait, and Qatar. Then I am already working also in Saudi Arabia for almost 5 years and a half. I go home last year due to pandemic. Mahirap dahil nawalan ka ng trabaho. Just our city government here in Tagum City provide us this kind of program, a Real Livelihood Program, counterpart by Dolly. Napalago ko to, nagpapasalamat ako ng taos puso dahil it helps me a lot, not only for me but only for my kids because I'm also a single parent, a single mom.
This hybrid service aims to provide education, employment, livelihood assistance, or micro-entrepreneurship to marginalized sectors in the society. PEESO Tagum is dedicated on strengthening emergency programs amid difficult times. It was able to provide livelihood assistance to these individuals, offering them diversified entrepreneurial trainings such as tocino and longanisa making, bangus deboning, hair cutting, and among others. They were also given livelihood starter kits for enterprise startup, which became the beneficiary source of income amid crisis.
Ako po si Mrs. Salma Abad. Isa po ako sa napektuhan sa pandemic at locally stranded individual. Salamat sa Diyos at natulungan kami nitong tinatawag na programa, Real Program. Napakain ko ng maayos ang mga anak ko, nakapag-aral din sila ng maayos. At laking pasasalamat ko rin sa PEESO dahil natulungan nila kami ng aking mga anak, sa paraan nitong Real Program.
The pandemic has never been considered as an obstacle, yet an underlying opportunity, especially on the employment facilitation spectrum. It sustained its referral and placement services by implementing resilient services amid restricted conditions. Amidst the crisis, the total referred applicants in 2020 is 13,260 on regular programs, with 11,785 total placed job seekers. This accomplishment has been achieved with the help of the online employment data archive named JobHub, containing the recent pool of job vacancies locally, which is easily accessed by job seekers at the comfort and safety of their homes. It is accompanied with a quick response code system of which the applicants will be redirected to their desired hiring agencies through scanning a unique code. The job vacancies in this database has also brought contribution in successfully delivering various job fairs in 2020, including its virtual Trabaho, Negosyo and Kabuhayan or TNK. Also, for delivering prompt assistance, PEESO Tagum has improvised a real-time chat support to entertain clients' concerns immediately. PEESO Tagum is insatiable. It is never satisfied when it comes to facilitating its clients at a wide scope. This was evident as it rendered profound services beyond its range. Last April 28 and May 6 to 9, 2020, during the distribution of Social Amelioration Program funded by the Department of Social Welfare and Development, PEESO has facilitated about 2,946 families in 2 barangays, disbursing a total amount of 17,676,000 cash incentive to highly affected households.
Si Lolitas Manulat Sarno, nangalipay gyud ko nga nakakuha ko diri sa amelioration program tungod kay sa akong anak. Nalipay ko nga nakadawat jud ko ani sir ta. Nagpasalamat ko sa program sa DSWD ug sa city ni Mayor Leon.
PEESO was also instrumental in the underlying processes of this cash assistance program, lending its hand during the validation, encoding, and distribution. It has extended its assistance to the less fortunate battling amidst pandemic by executing volunteerism during the distribution of rice and other goods to a total of 17,495 families for the first, second, and third wave operation in 2 barangays. As the virus hampered the delivery of education, PEESO has also initiated a donation drive dubbed as Project Connect, create opportunities for learners necessary to nurture the access of education through connecting with technology. Through this online donation campaign, it was able to gather more than 400,000 pesos worth of school supplies and online schooling devices, which was officially turned over to the Department of Education Tagum City Division.
Ako di ay si Camela Alpit, 17 years old, nagikan sa Tagum City National Comprehensive High School, grade 12 na resident. Ako, pagka grade 11 na grade 12 na ako is, wala dyan kayo ko cellphone na gamiton. Nagahiram lang ko sa akong mga ante, or ginapahiram lang ko nila. It's because kanang kailangan manggod na ako. Sa akong pag-eskwela, lisod jud kayo siya kung walay cellphone. Kananda ko kayo siya patabang kay kapara sa karon online class naman gud siya. So dapat na jud kayo cellphone na magamit kay para dali ra ka maka-access sa mga information. Then salamat kayo ni Mayor Alan Relion kay gitagan ko ni opportunity na isa sa imuhang matagaan og bago nga cellphone para magamit na ako sa akong pag-eskwela.
It also supported the Bulilit Tabang Eskwela program of the City Social Welfare and Development Office, contributing few learning materials from the gathered donations. With the initiative of the City of Tagum, through its City Public Education and Employment Services Office, these programs will ensure that all walks of life, be it LSI, ROFW, retrenched employees, and even drug surrenderies, everyone has a brighter future with a working government body. Further, the city is committed to cater and provide the necessary assistance to the target beneficiaries, including their families, all together to achieve a Tagum Tagumpay life.